Hi, it's Mary Corbin from the Vasquez de Lara Law Group. Happy spooky season. It's October, and here at the Vasquez de Lara Law Group, we focus on a lot of kinds of cases, including domestic violence cases. And unfortunately, those cases can get pretty spooky because of the circumstances. It's usually a situation where someone is scared or someone is being accused of something that they didn't do. And I focus on the domestic violence cases in this office because I am a former prosecutor and I have familiarity with those kind of issues, the domestic violence statutes, and how those hearings work. They're always in-person hearings, usually with a lot of evidence, so I'm familiar with how to do that. And in this particular spooky story, I represented the victim of a harassment domestic violence case, and her spouse had actually been following her to her school, to her home. They had separated, was constantly sending her emails, text messages, even reaching out to her classmates. And in that case, our client was obviously terrified by the situation. She filed a domestic violence case. She also reported it to police and had a criminal case open. And I represented her in the final hearing for the domestic violence case, where we presented video evidence of the stalking and harassment. We presented text messages, we presented phone calls, and we were able to get a result where she now has protection from this person for 5 years through a 5-year permanent injunction. So that's how we made her life better, even in a spooky situation. And that's often what we do in these family law cases.